I'd like to know if you could say something about the origin of this and the importance given to this time.
Origin of?
Nisf of Shaban.
The origin of, actually,
this time called Nisf of Shaban.
Shabe Barat.
And whether it has any origin in Islam.
Nisf of Shaban, I see. That's right. No, I don't know much about the origin of this, sorry. Because I am not interested in that. Everything which was not practiced during the time of Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam is irrelevant to the interest of Ahmadis, because they are only interested in knowing what passed as religious rites during the lifetime of Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his Khulafai Rashidin. That is important to us. But after that, in the darker ages, when people kept on inventing new things and new rites and new religious ceremonies, we are just disinterested and we don't believe in them. So why should I waste my time, as there are so many things to attend, to go on finding out when they took place.
I was wondering if it had any basis in Islam.
This is what I can deny positively. They have no fundamental, no basis whatsoever as derived from the life of Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam or the lives of the following cadets. Absolutely no foundation. Had there been, then I would have immediately told you.